again. The bird
The bird.
flies in the sky.
The bird fly in the sky.
The bird sits in the tree.
The bird sit in the tree.
Oh, thank you, bird. The monkey climbs in the tree.
The monkey fly in the tree.
Oh, the monkey plays with the ball.
The monkey plays with the ball.
Okay, thank you, monkey. The rabbit. The rabbit hops to the rock.
The rabbit hops to the rock.
Okay, the rabbit plays with a friend.
The rabbit plays with a friend. The rabbit
Plays with a friend. Thank you, buddies. The kangaroo
The,
jumps over the rock.
the kangaroo jump over the rock.
Okay, the kangaroo sits on a rock.
The kangaroo on the rock.
Thank you, kangaroo. You bring your rock with you. The hippopotamus sleeps under the tree.
The hippopotamus sit on the tree.
Okay, the hippopotamus steps over the turtle.
To the
The turtle. The hippopotamus steps over the turtle. Okay. The turtle sleeps on a rock. The rock, please. The turtle sleeps on a rock. The turtle crawls under the rock.
The turtle grows on
Under the rock. Thank you. The alligator crawls on a rock. The alligator crawls on a rock. Okay. The alligator sits with the snake. The alligator sits with the snake. Okay. All right. Thank you, buddies. The giraffe runs in the grass.
the giraffe runs in the grass.
Okay. The giraffe steps over the tree.
The giraffe steps over the tree.
Okay, thank you, giraffe. Okay, all of you, come here. Hi. Okay, come on the stage. I like animals. Thank you. Now say goodbye, everyone. Everyone, I see you. Thank you. Well